So the grass bag is pretty ditched on this wee bang. They do get very dirty and they are a pain in the arse to clean. So I thought I'm going to try the 2-fork method, which involves 2 forks. So if you ain't got 2 forks, you might need to find something else. But anyway, 2 forks, space them out, dig them in the grass. Basically just slide your bag over. Just like that. You might need to do a little bit of fine adjusting to your forks. And once you finally get your forks in the correct position that you're happy with, which I'm sure will be soon, just have to rearrange my fork again. And is it gonna be this time? Is it? Can it be this time? No. We're still not right. We're just adjusting the fork again. Oh, that looks good. Oh, look at that. Slotted over there, nice. Now, what we're doing now, just get a bungee cord just to wrap around the metal frame and around the fork, just so it doesn't, we don't knock it off or blow it off or whatever. And now, we're going to go and get the pressure washer. As you can see, we can see through the bag a little bit. It's not perfect. It's never going to be perfect, is it? Let's face it. But it's a lot cleaner. So the 2 forks method. I think it kind of works. Happy days.